Hey, welcome back. We're continuing to celebrate St. Patrick's Day a day early. And what's a better way to end the show than on a sweet note? Katie Clan, a baker at Cantoro Italia and Trattoria is in the house. We are so excited to have you. You brought a lot of beautiful goods and we are going to make something this morning.
We are. I'm very excited to be here. We are making an Irish cream creme brulee with Bailey's. So just so wonderful.
Good. All right, so what's in here?
We have our sugar, our Bailey's, heavy cream, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of espresso just to kind of enhance that Irish cream flavor.
And how hot is it?
We're just getting it to a scald. We just want that sugar to dissolve.
Okay.
And then we have our egg yolks here.
All right.
So we are just going to incorporate a little bit of our hot mixture into our egg yolks. That way we don't make scrambled eggs.
All right. Oh yeah, that makes sense, right? That's why you don't want it so hot?
Yep, so you're just gonna ladle a little bit of the hot mixture in, just a little bit at a time while whisking.
All right, so this has alcohol in it. Can we give it to kids?
I wouldn't.
Oh.
It does not really bake out.
Okay.
So
that's important.
You can have some fun with this.
You can have some fun with it. There we go. This is an adult-only dessert, and I have an adult-only toy I'll be playing with in just a bit. So you guys make a lot of stuff. You get really busy on St. Patrick's Day.
We have fun with every holiday, and they do say everyone's Irish on St. Patrick's Day, so even an Italian market can have some fun too.
And you guys really do. Those cupcakes are great, so you can pick those up. What other things did you bring to show us this morning?
I brought some of our beautiful macarons. We have mint chocolate chip and Irish cream, some beautiful sugar cookies. We have Guinness cupcakes and just all kind of fun holiday stuff here.
So you guys get in the spirit.
We do.
All right, so we've mixed everything together here.
Yep, so once it's set, you just portion it into your ramekins.
So we have them here.
Bake it low and slow. Once again, you don't want scrambled eggs.
And so what do we do with this?
So this we are going to torch. I do a little bit of coarse sugar on the top.
Okay.
I'll do one first, then do you want to try it?
Yeah, she's a little nervous about giving me the fire. I don't blame her.
All right. So you're just going to get that sugar nice and caramelized.
Can you set it on fire? Is there any tips to not screwing it up?
Once your sugar is starting to dissolve, stop.
Okay.
You can set it on fire, but you're just looking for that really nice caramelization and all your sugar to be dissolved.
Silly question, where can you buy these little containers?
Usually any type of Bed Bath & Beyond, any type of specialty
cake shop. And they're not flammable?
Shop. Nope, these are an entirely bakeable container.
Okay, so I push this part down,
Push that part down, then hold in the trigger.
Oh my gosh. Oh. There we go. And while I'm doing this, tell me about your locations.
So we are located on Haggerty, just north of 5 Mile, and we will have a new trattoria opening in May, located in Troy.
Our photographer Jeremy Johnson's making fun of me right now. How am I doing though?
You're doing perfect.
All right. So we're making these, and these are just a perfect little party favor, aren't they?
Yep, and they're simple, just a couple of ingredients. Really not too bad to make at home.
All right, so I know you said everyone's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. That's true. How did you guys get so involved with making all of these different things?
Just years of training, and I'm Irish myself.
I set this on fire. That's exactly what I did. Whoops.
I'm a little bit Irish myself, so.
All right, so we can get all of these ingredients at your store, right? Do we have to pre-order anything?
You don't have to pre-order. You can if you would like, but we do have all these available at our bakery counter.
I am so hoping that this smoke alarm doesn't go off because it smells like smoke. Thank you so much for joining us. That was really fun. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We'll be right back with a news brief after this.